Today we're going to be doing
a makeup routine.
a tutorial.
Before we do anything, we have to find someone to do our makeup on.
You are right. I already called somebody. Our Titi. I told you I already had someone. So this is our Aunt Titi.
Our Aunt Titi?
Yes.
Titi is aunt.
She has a YouTube channel called Missambergold, right?
Yes, I do.
So, and she does like makeup tutorials.
Yes, I do.
My favorite video is, I'll tell you one. So she did one and it had like an ombre blue, sparkly blue, and then it went into like a pink and purple at the bottom. That's all I'm gonna tell you. It was my favorite one.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let them just do my makeup, freestyle. I don't know if they've been talking over what they want to do, right? We went over all the bases, all the makeup is laid out right here in front of us. So, I'm just gonna let y'all get started.
Wait, hold on. Before I do that, I want to show you all my nails. They're pretty.
Really, Jay? Oh gosh. And just don't get it on this part, okay? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Kay.
We've actually done our grandma's makeup, and she has a video of them on her phone. We might post it on YouTube.
This is so weird. Oh my gosh, you guys are so rough. Like beating me up with this sponge.
Good, right?
Okay.
There. So I'm done with my side. So now I'm going to go ahead and do her eyes.
Your side too, okay?
So guys, before I do anything, I want to show you how lucky my aunt is. Because she has a friend.
Where's the top go?
She has a friend, I'm not going to say his name, but he actually got her the box of crayons. You could go to her channel to see what the heck that is.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
So I'm going to use this one.
It tickles.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So I'm going to be doing this ombre pink into like a dark, so a very light pink to a dark pink. Where's the brush for this one?
I don't know which one to use. I can use this one.
For those, this one is like, I use it for like, well, sometimes I actually wipe it off because it may actually have other, but if not, then I use it for the lid, and then if you want to blend it with another color, then I use this one to blend. Oh, sorry.
So now I'm gonna pour it up. Okay, go on.
You can probably start. I'm facing your way.
Okay, so I didn't want to use like pink and purple since for your eyes at TT I actually used gold and pink, like mixed together with a drastic color.
Gold and pink?
No, gold and purple.
Oh, gold and purple, okay.
There.
Look what I did to this side.
She looks like mom. She looks like a diva or something. Okay, so
You said
A diva?
okay, so I'm gonna start on her eye. I'm gonna start on this. I think it's called like the mascara.
Good job.
So I'm gonna take that. I'm scared.
I'm scared. Don't poke my eye, okay?
Close your eye.
Okay, yeah, please. Good job, Jay. I love having nieces. This is the best. We get to do girly stuff all the time.
Wait, how do you like take off that one I did? I feel like that Kaylin's, it's like more pastel and prettier.
You like Kaylin's?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Just, well, if you want to take it off, or you could just like add it to whatever you did, just like kind of, but you probably have to pack it more.
I could do that.
You can wipe it off with that, yeah.
There.
KK, did you need any colors over here?
So first I'm going to do my gold.
I'm excited to see. Oh, y'all y'all didn't do my eyebrows. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Done with this.
Okay, you're done with that? Yeah.
Then I'm
Where
going
does this go again?
Your eyes, that's eyeliner. It's a colored eyeliner.
We're doing a pink and purple style, like ombre. So
I'm
think
happy
I
because I get
have-
to.
Alright.
we have a purple left.
Like, you see where the little dotted lines?
Girl, I have no nails. Okay.
You have nails.
Let me see.
Yours probably break off.
Yeah, they will.
No, let me. I have
Oh no, some already broke off. I have to fix those ones, but.
Oh, okay. Okay, girl. Here's two. I have like two of them. Here's one. Here's another.
It's
My
like the
eyebrow.
big
Yeah.
one. What is this too?
That is like if you blend out stuff. Like if you're using the foundation on my eyes or like around my face, you can.
Like this?
Yeah, it's just like basically like you can use it like you can use that or the sponge. Basically, you know how like you were using the sponge on my face, then you can use also that too.
I can't
blend out.
open it. I
This
can't
is
open-
contour too.
Where do I put it again?
You can put it around my forehead or like right here, like kind of like where my ears at and down, like where my ears at.
You're gonna look so pretty.
You're going to look
So
Could I go out like this?
Yeah,
You think so?
yeah. You look beautiful than Mariah Carey.
Oh, really? Well, that must be really pretty.
okay.
So now I'm like using this lip gloss to make her lips look a lip shiny because you need a lot of shine if you're a kid. If you're a kid, everything's going to be shiny. But my favorite color is actually neon, so yeah. But this
It's funny because I love neon. Everyone knows I love neon. Neon and blue.
neon and blue. I like neon and teal.
Oh, you're right. No, I love neon and like mint green, like a teal color. Like how my room is, Jay? That mint green. Oh, more like my bathroom. How it is.
I like an egg, and she got this one from Macy's.
Wait, what'd you just say, Jaya?
What?
You said, and she got this from Macy's? I got that from
What's
Macy's.
this brush down to?
That does not say Macy's.
What's
What
this
is this?
brush? Wait, not that purple.
Okay.
We have to put glitter all over her face.
No. What do you mean, why not? No, KK. Huh?
You look beautiful.
No, you don't need glitter.
But I saw someone in the makeup
Oh yeah, she had
book.
glitter everywhere.
She had glitter.
Well, that was probably for a photo shoot or something, but no, not today. We're not doing any glitter.
There's
And
this.
when we're done with the
They're like-
makeup, you have to keep it on for 24 hours.
Heck no.
Yes.
Heck no. I'll keep it on. I'll take some photos with y'all, and I'm taking it off, KK. Straight, like.
Okay, we can't do all.
I'm just saying. Okay. Okay.
Okay, my
do
turn.
it because it's getting everywhere. Okay, that's enough.
And the video of our makeup tutorials. Oreos. Okay, guys, if y'all get this video to 1,000 subscribers, we will do another makeup tutorial, but this time on somebody else. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. Like it's like right there.
No,
right
wait.
there.
Well, over there.
Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel also, and we'll see you in the next video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Bye.
Bye.